Here is exam 3 review. Question number 1 is, it's asking you first 5 terms of the sequence. You need to find A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. The first term An is given as 3n by 1 plus 6n. All you have to do is replace in place of n 1. So let's write that down. 3 times 1 by 1 plus 6 times 1. That will be 3 by 7. A2, 3 times 2 by 1 plus 6 times 2. That will be 6 by 13. 3 times 3 by 1 plus 6 times 3. That's 9 by 19. 3 times 3 by 1 plus 6 times 4. 1 plus 6 by 4. 12 by 26. 25. 3 times 5 by 1 plus 6 times 5. That's 15 by 30 plus 1, 31. So these are the 5 terms of the first sequence. Let's work on part B. It says an is 3 to the power n times 7 to the power negative n. I can also write it 3 to the power n by 7 to the power n because negative power means that it can go below the line. So in the denominator, we need to find 5 terms. First term 3 to the power n by 7 to the power n. A2. All you need to do is replace in place of n with whatever it is. So first term 3 1 by 7 power 1. So that will be just 3 by 7. A2 will be 3 power 2 by 7 power 2. So 9 by 49. A3 would be 3 to the power 3 by 7 by 3. You can find this using calculator or just leave it like that. A4 is 3 to the power 4 by 7 power 4. A5 is 3 to the power 5 by 7 power 5. Okay. So basically, we are able to find the number 5 terms using your just n values. Second question is a little different. We still need to find the first 5 terms, but here we need the sequence is defined recursively. You will see by looking at the formula, to calculate a n plus 1, we need the previous term, and the previous term starting the first term is given. So for example, if we need to calculate a2, that is the for n plus 1, an by n. So a2 will be previous term, which is a1 by n is 1, previous n, right? So a1 is what? 2 by 1. The answer is 2. You guys see what? That a2 is dependent upon a1. Let's write a3. Using the formula, a3 would be the previous term, which is a2, by 2. Okay. So a2 is 2 by 2. The answer will be 1. A4, using the previous recursive formula, previous term a3 by 3. a3 is 1 by 3. a5, using our formula, the previous term of a5 will be a4 divided by 4. a4 is 1/3 by 4. The answer is 1 by 12. So these are the first 5 terms. So first term is automatically given. You just need to find first 4 terms. Now, important thing to notice is here in the recursive formulas, for any term, you have to find the previous term to find that. Without finding a4, you cannot find a5, right? So you have to find them in order. So basically, if I suppose I ask you to find 100, you can't do directly because first you will have to do a1, a2, a3, a4 up to a99 to calculate a100. So this is a little more complicated, but it has some application in some courses.